My beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, in this video I will sharing with you all, an amazing Multani Mitti face pack which is also known as Fuller's Earth, which gives you a fair, tight, young and glowing skin. Mother Nature has provided us with Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth which is good for all skin types, dry, oily and combination variety. Multani Mitti could be effectively used as a cleanser and toner, and is very good for the treatment of its scraps of excess oil and dirt on the skin. It can absorb oil and is very good for the treatment of pimples, blackheads and whiteheads. By improving a blood circulation and tightening of your skin, it makes your face radiant. Multani Mitti can be combined with several kitchen ingredients to make natural skincare remedies. Today, let us see skin glowing face pack combination with Multani Mitti. For this remedy we need Multani Mitti, Fuller's Earth. In a clean bowl we take 1 tablespoon Multani Mitti. This ingredient, blessed with anti-tanning properties, can give you an even-toned and brighter skin. Regular usage of Multani Mitti can help attain a healthy and glowing complexion. I hope you will find useful remedies for here. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Second most potent ingredient, we add papaya gel in it. You can add fresh papaya pulp also. The enzyme papain in papaya acts as a strong skin exfoliator and removes the dead cells, which can make the face lighter in tone and more supple. The abundance of beta-carotene and plant compounds present in papaya enhances the skin glow and complexion. Here I am added 1 tablespoon of papaya gel in this bowl. You can add papaya paste instead of papaya gel. Next ingredient, we add honey in this mixture. Add 1 tablespoon honey in it. Honey has great benefits like skin brightening, hydration, and prevention of acne breakouts. It also helps in soothing irritated skin and gives a natural glow. It also offers deep hydration because it is a natural humectant. Regular usage of honey can help exfoliate the skin and get rid of dead cells, thereby adding a natural glow to your face. Mix all the 3 ingredients well combined. Hey friends, thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Add enough rose water to make a fine consistency of this remedy. Again mix it well together until face pack consistency is formed. Rose water works as a natural, chemical-free toner and helps minimize your pores so that your skin looks absolutely flawless, supple and glowing. It also unclogs pores and removes dirt, making your skin appear lighter. Our skin glowing face pack remedy is ready to apply. Before you applying face pack, wash and clean your face with mild cleanser. Pat dry and apply face pack evenly on face and neck area. Apply face pack with the help of your fingertips or a brush. Leave the face pack for 15 to 20 minutes on face. After drying, gently massage with finger and wash it off with plain water. After washing your face, you will get fair, tight and glowing skin in just first use of this face pack. For best results, apply this remedy 2 to 3 times in a week. So, Include this face pack remedy in your skincare and get glowing and bright skin tone in no time. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and share your valuable experience with us in comments section. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to DIY Nature's Glory channel.